Hi friends, today we're making sandwiches that I call sprots. It's very easy and really tasty. You'll need bread like baguette, oil, sunflower oil, fruits, tomatoes that I like, and cilantro and garlic. Start by frying bread in oil. It is scary, but it's not. I can do this. Let me show you. Make sure to fry them on both sides. Then you take the garlic and rub it on each piece of the bread, like this. It's smelly and tasty. One time I tried the garlic, I put it in the tea first and then ate it all in one bite. And it protects you from germs and vampires. Looks like we forgot one special ingredient. Mayonnaise. You just need to rub it on the bread, like we did with the garlic. Now assemble the sandwich. Sprouts, go. Tomatoes, go. And add a little piece of cilantro for decoration. All done. Enjoy this tasty snack. Enjoy from Cookers with Boogers.